Alright, so here she is. The new boat. She is a 2002 Chaparral 220. She's got a Volvo Penta. V6 in her with a Cobra OSX, I'm not sure, drive. I'm used to Merc Cruisers, so that's what's on the Sea Ray. This is a Sea Ray Seville 210 that needs a complete rebuild. But this is the new boat that we're hoping to be able to use while we're rebuilding this guy. Got the battery charger on her. Charging up the batteries. Got our motor. Motor runs. It's got a few issues we are working on. She needs to be reupholstered. She's a pretty big boat. She's a 21 footer. She is a lot bigger than my Invader. We have all the compartments open so that they'll dry out. Just missing a cup holder there. She's solid. She's a solid boat. Let me climb up in there and I'll give y'all a look up front, or inside, sorry. So I'm standing on the bow. That's the anchor locker. Coolers under the seat here, storage there. It's a table. We got storage here and here. She's got nice captain's chair, flip up bolsters, same thing on the passenger's chair. We got a cooler in the dash. Haven't been able to get the radio to work. It turns on though. There's a cooler also underneath that cushion. Here's our motor. So 220 horsepower Volvo motor with a Holley Performance carburetor. 2 batteries. Got the charger on the second battery right now. Trim's not working. We got to get that working. Check the impeller. Clean up the engine bay here. You can see the insulated cooler right there. There's another one there. Fix this. Yeah, so we got some things we got to do to her. Hopefully we can get her out on the lake before the weather turns too cold to do it, but that's the goal anyways. We'll do an oil change. We'll do the oil in the drive once we get the trim to work. We have a water tank there for the transom shower. This is the water tank for the transom shower. You see the shower head right there in the back. It's got some work to do on her, but we're going to work on her. We're going to keep y'all updated. I'm going to do some regular videos on this boat and the renewal. I wouldn't say restoration. This guy needs restoration. The Sea Ray Seville is a complete tear down and rebuild. I mean, utterly complete. Both boats I got pretty cheap. This one, the Sea Ray, got cheaper than this guy. But we're pretty excited. So stay tuned for the restoration of the Chaparral 220 SSI. So our motor runs. Starts right up. Alright, so we're goofing with the boat. She wouldn't go into gear, so we started goofing with the gear shifter here. Got her taken apart. So we got her to go in, but she's really rough on shifting. So we're trying to figure out what, we're working on figuring out what the, reason is. She's real tough in shifting. But we got her in gear. And the prop spins. So that's good. We got a little water leak from right here. Right there. I don't want to run her much because I don't think water's coming out. So I got to get the trim so that to work so that we can get the drive down so that I could change the impeller on this boat. From my understanding, the impeller is on the back of the drive. She's a Cobra OMC SX drive with a correction of V8 5.0 V8. I am not sure where the serial number on this engine is stamped. So we'll do some digging around tomorrow. It's about to get dark. So after work tomorrow, we'll come back and we'll continue working on the boat. See if we can't figure out more. This is a learning process. I've had other boats and we're working on learning and figuring things out, doing what we can do, and whatever we can't do, we'll take her to the shop and have her worked on then.